Going where the wind blows, blooming like a red rose, singing out, walking in the morning sunshine, baby. Sunshine daydream. Nice, that's happening in the MOJO Day Trade room, guys, that song. That was the G-Dead right there on the Grateful. Nice, right? Welcome this morning, everybody. MOJO Day Trade, live CIF Friday. Great trading day today. I was just laughing with my wife. You know the owner of McDonald's. You know that guy, Ray? I'm sure his wife knew about Burger King and stuff when it popped up, and she's like, oh, those guys at Burger King, man, look at them trying to make those fries and them burgers like us and stuff. You know what I mean? She knows about that. My wife knows about my competitors too. Like, yo, my competitor lost $8 grand yesterday. He made a video. Like, isn't that a lot of money? I'm like, yeah. He's like, and he made a new rule. He's like, I'm going to make a new rule that after I'm down $1,000, I'm going to stop for the day. She laughed. She's like, isn't he the one that teaches all those people and charges and thinks he's the best teacher in the world, and he's just making up that rule now? Isn't that like a trading 101? My wife said that. Isn't that like a trading 101 rule? So funny. What a great lesson last night, knowing that even your broker wants to bend over for your profit. I've done some light trading before Mojo U, and I told myself to stop and learn from this guy, aka Pro Trader Mike. Seriously, one of the best choices of my life. I hope everyone has a few Hineses today. Thanks, Niles. Yo, Niles, did you see Polo's motto, dude? He put some thought into it, bro. Look. Polo, I'll share your motto, buddy. Look. Here, work of art. A really good class last night. Here, there's a new avatar, Pickles. He likes a pickle. Here it is. I'm an HHPC. I'm a Heinz Hunter Profit Collector. You like that one, Niles, right? That's a good one, right? Excellent one. A lot of thought when you're going to be a winner, successful. You come into the office saying that, focusing, oh my gosh, you'll be a... Edwin, brand new to the class. Thank you. You felt the same way. Nice. Awesome. Yeah, class was good last night. I love teaching them slides. It's fun. It's fun. It's very fun learning in Mojo University. You don't sit there, you're not like bored ever. You're like, what's next? Oh my God. No way. It's like a climax into a climax into a climax. I've set the whole course up like that. That's why I haven't even done the Heinz yet with you. Wait till we do the Heinz at the end. We haven't even done the trade playbook. That's the best. You thought I was going to give it to you in the beginning. No. I got to get you like, then you come into Heinz, you're like, come on, baby. Not like, ooh, how do I play this thing? You're like, let's. And that's what you do. And then you come in and you're like, yo, I don't need nothing to clip the market. See all those Heinz trade plays? Sitting there thinking they're badass? I'm badass. I'm a clipper. What's in the trunk? Fine. Look at his eyes. See his eyes? Look at his eyes. As soon as he gets trouble, he already sees all of the prices and who everybody is. Watch his eyes. See? Look. See? They don't even know. He scanned the level 2 for the biggest player right now. He's got it. He's ready. Watch. Trade number 1, 70, 80, 85, 6, 7, 8, 90, filled, entry 1, 500. 91, 2, 3, 4, 95 here. Double it up. 1,000. Here it goes. Lock and load. 96, 97, 98. 10,000, bitch. Let's go. Hines, 01, 02, 03, 04, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11. It's going to 20. Let's rock and roll. Mojo's Hines. Here we go, bitches. I'm ready for all these trades at the open. Let's go. 500 at a time. I'm ready. 500, 500, 500. 2,000. Here he goes. Boom. Trade's over. Next one. 500, 500. 2,000. Trade's over. Next. 500, 500. 5,000. Trade's over. Next. 500, 500, 1,000, 10,000. Trade's over. Next trade. 10,000. Trade's over. Next trade. 500, 500, 500. 1,000, 1,000, 5,000. Trade's over. Trade's over. Trade's scaling. All in. Trade's over. Boom. He can't even believe I read the level 2 like that. He's dead. That's how Mojo rolls. Love that. Scaling. Fucking champion, boys. Like a clipper. Let's see how I did before in my trade. I did the stock before. I should have made more money, but I had to get ready. Getting ready for the show. Here's the trade. So I'm looking and I get a V-band spike on USLV with a stop loss right there. I just should have left it. I just took the profit. So the stock right here, my trade a 1028 average on that. See right here. Here's the first one, the Twitter. Something's going on with Twitter. It's trading exactly like it did last time when it got bought out at $25. But then it didn't get bought out. But the rumor was it was. And it's acting exactly like that. Right here. I bought USLV at 1028, trail stop at cost. That means if it goes to cost at 1028, that fight took the breath out of me, man. It's like my morning exercise. Little cardio, do that every morning. That's a good exercise, man. I need to hit something, like a bag in here. Boom, boom. I'm good at those speed bags. I can go like this. I can rattle that thing, dude. And then I can come across and freaking knock it. You know what's dude, I'm the baddest at? Listen to this. I challenge anyone in the world. 2 carnival games. Because I used to be a carny and high dive at the carnivals. 3 games. The one with the, but that's a mine with the disc. The first one is the knocker, when the thing comes up and you hit that sucker. I'm good at that game. Really good at that game. The other one I'm good at, but that's not my good one, is the bag. You know when you walk up and they have that thing comes down with the ball and you hit it and it goes woo, and it shows you how hard you hit it? I can hit it harder than anyone at the whole carnival. Any one day trader in the whole world, I can hit that bag harder than you, and I'll bet you $5,000. I'm ready. I've taken the biggest guys out at the carnival, dude. I know how to hit that freaking ball and spin it to the top every time. The hardest it can go. I know how to do it. I've done it and practiced on it for 5 years at the carnivals. That stupid freaking hitting game. I used to beat the shit out of my brother all the time. I have a twin brother. And he used to say black, well, the stock's going up. I'd say, dude, it's white and the stock's going down. And then we'd get in a fight and beat the shit out of each other. That's how I grew up. Nice. Love the Clipper. Good morning, everybody. Into the Badlands. Raimi watches that shit. So I sold USLV a little too early. Here was the spike on USLV. It did a 3-gapper right here. I gave it to everybody on Twitter. I gave it to everybody on my watch list. Yep, 1025. It went up after PTX at 469. $5.10. PTX went up at 490. PTX went up at 469. Mike, I was up early this morning. That was my first one on the watch list. I'll tell you where I saw it. Right here. That's why it went up so early. See it? Look. I got it here at 469. Look. See the spike bar right here? Right there. That was my signal. And then it just has continued. This is PTX Therapeutics. We traded it yesterday. That's straight off the watch list. At MOJODayTrading.com, watch it. I also have free chat up today only for the first day. It's been the first time in several months. So anybody watching this video, if you want to come by the Day Trade chat room, right here. This is what the chat room's all about. That's the room. It's how we get live. Some cool slides for you to check out. How we sell, how we buy, and new trader warning and a Mojo tip. Just for you. So click join chat room and come on by. The watch list is awesome. Did great with USLV at 1025. That up, my average is 28, and we sold it up. I sold it a little early. I sold it up into this bar, right into the beginning of that at 37. I had to go get ready for the show. Mike, my video is done. Thanks, Phil V. Yeah, it wasn't I just got ready. It wasn't my haircut. A haircut. I'm just naturally good looking like this. Dude, Mojo U was so entertaining last night. Wait till I do the trade plays. I have so much information. It's incredible. Like my GG Hulk opposite combination, gamma ray, my tag along, my white. You know what I think is going to do good today? Just because I have a feeling Had a nice spark yesterday. Closed Marabuzu. It's up a dime. Closes Marabuzu, right? Yep. See, guys? Mojo U, right? Right there, prime example. See the bar? Look. This is what I taught you in Mojo U, right here. You all could have done it. This is an easy play. Anyone could have done it. This bar right here caused Marabuzu here within the rule. And then, boom. There it is. With the rule. You're like my competitor. I'm gonna stop now when I'm down $1,000 so I don't lose $8,000 and get all emotional. You'll never lose like that in the Mojo Day Trade room. I'll never lose $8,000 on a stock in the Mojo Day. Ever. As some other people have done. I'll never short any of these stocks in the Mojo Day Trade room as some of the main competitors. That's their main strategy. And yeah, it's a great strategy and it wins 90% of the time and it's amazing. But that one trade that'll catch you short, you'll never come back from. You'll actually owe the firm money. Owe them. That closed Marabuzu with a hammer, but only on 8.13, not 8.13. If it was a bar like this, see this one, 3.6, or this little sticker coming up, 1.5. I'd love to see that today, wouldn't you? Nice. Got some people in the room coming on in. Take it real slow, real easy. We'll make money real easy. Oh. You know why? Because it's all about order flow. It's not about charts. It's about order flow. I got that word last night a bunch of times. That's what it's about. About order flow. It's about the order flow. Let me see where the order flow is going. I'm not revealing anything, and you guys don't know nothing. Mojo Day Trade room. Stop drooling. Better stop. Yes, you are correct. Oh my gosh. Can you believe it? You better believe it. Got to get something ready for the room. Guys, yeah, guess what? There you go. Happy birthday. Happy Friday. Happy, happy, happy. Hoopy, happy, happy. Look at that. However, it's one thing. Magic Highway. I'm going to fill in real quick, really quick. Too far away. See it? Boom. I'm instructing my room, showing them. Little education. Little education. Privy information for the Mojo Day Trade room. We got a couple stocks. We're in here in the pre-market. We did real nice this morning so far. I traded USLV from 1028 right here. And it went to 53. See it, 1037? Yes, I only looked at it once. And yes, it went to 1053. I'm a clipper. I looked. I scanned it. And then we jumped in right here into NTNX. Didn't make any money on NTNX is the same. right in the same zone. Went up, here's the same spike, bought here, even money. Been in it for more than 5 minutes, so I had to go get ready, so I'm out. Then right here, this is the Twitter. Looks really good, and something's going on with buyout rumor. Dead. Love touch of gray. I used to dive to touch of gray. That's funny. I used to warm up in the mornings on the diving board at the shows, at the carnival. Shows at the carnivals. High dive show. And I used to warm up where they had this one. I used to put in my I had a cassette of the Grateful Dead, and I used to put it in the thing. I blasted on the whole loudspeaker in the morning as I used to bounce on the diving boards, the 3 meter. I'd stand on the 3 meter springboard and I'd bounce up and down and up and down and up and down on the end of the board 100 times in a row to the music. And every time I jump up into the air, I'd do a dance in the air. I go, woo, da 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 da, doo 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 doo. Every time I jump in the air. I was a show diver. I was on the Great American High Diving team. My summer job, high diving. Play that song every day. Guy Nicky Starr used to bounce so good on the boards. That's not his name. He changed. That's his show name, Nicky Starr. Just getting ready on the 3 meter. Because it's high and no one can do that. No one does that. Like when you go to like Fort Lauderdale, or you go to those pools, everyone just walks off there. You should see me on the diving boards, dude. Show you the bouncing. Oh, this is me. This is me. No, it's not. Triple front. But I have some. I have one. I have a video of me doing a dive. My daughter has it. I could do a 3.5 tuck off the front. I stopped when they do 4.5s now. All right, forget it. I got to go back to. Wish I can go bounce. That's someone new. Oh, Bob, you did the simulator. Gotcha. I have right here. Look, my brother was on Shark Tank. That's my brother. Yeah? Isn't that cool? But he didn't go on. Could have been on the show if he wanted. There's my arms when I broke my arms. Look at the plates in my arms. Look at the titanium plates that are in my arms. Isn't that sick? Broke both of my arms snowboarding. Isn't that unbelievable and gnarly, right? Oh yeah, some of my injuries. Some of the injuries. I'm having the free day. I could stay live. Everyone how it's done. In the Mojo room. You don't need all this crazy preparation and all this. None of that, man. Let's do the stock I showed you guys. I'm moving away the room. No customer service 1 minute before the market. You should know better than that. Thank you so much. Whatever you've been doing to manage up to this point, Trader Acre, I think you can manage for another hour or two. Nothing's dramatic going to happen. Don't ruin my opening. Thank you. We go. Signal 64, wait. Long, MOSI entry. Squeeze 64 and higher. Trade went out into the Mojo Day Trade room just now. Entry right here at 158 to 61, adding lower none, higher into 64. Right here for everyone to see. I'm trading live for the world. No problem. NTNX, Heinz 22. Hold. NTNX, Heinz 22. Take an entry here, add at 22. Right here, NTNX. All in. That's Heinz trade 5,374. MOSI bid up, MOSI. There you go. I'm on there 58. See what they do. He bidded all in. See him jump me to 60? They think they got me. I knew it, dudes. I'm the best at reading level 2. You bitch. Ha! I freaking got you with 100 shares, dude. I tricked you with 100 shares, bitch. Yeah, boy. Kick your ass, Clipper, with 100 shares. Ha ha. Yeah, mamacita. Clipped them with 100. Boom! Sorry I got in trouble. Said bitch too much. Excited when I'm making money. I'm sorry. I don't know how much money I'm making. It's okay. Listen, if she knew what I was doing, I'd be... Don't make me miss it though, honey. That's what I say. Isn't that unbelievable? Over my door, better not say that word. Better stop. I know I'm bad. Bad today. Boy, today. But my computer stopped. I'm so bad. CTIC long. CTIC long entry bid and buy. Just an entry. We take it up into $4. CTIC. Taking it up into 4 hompies. Yeah, boy. Dudes, I got a webinar Sunday. Whoever's watching this now is going to watch what I've done with the trading. You come Sunday, I'll show you exactly my 3 secrets that I use with the traders on how I do this every day. I'll share that with you. And the secret formula to make $1 million in profits on 1,000 trades and $1,000 each in 1 year. Hold, right there, hold. That's our signal, see it? There we go, under that. Hold on. Oh yeah, here we go. Mojo, Mojo. How did I know those bars were gonna go down like that? Penny pincher 56, PP 56. That's a PP 56. See? He came right in. That's a shorter. Right there at 56. See him? He nailed it. Unbelievable, right? How good am I, dude? No one can trade against me. Nope. Nope, you can't. Here he is at 50. But he may not get filled. He just jumped from 50 to 55. It's going higher. Now it's going higher. He jumped from 50 with 100 right to 55. Now he's at 57. Boom. Now it goes to 63, 62. The shorter that came in and did that, he ain't getting none. You can't do that, man, on these stocks. Penny pincher 59, cut up to 58. A lot of shares being hidden at 60. Dark pools going off. Up bidding from 55, just joined and got filled. See that? Right to 62. Right to 60 bid with an odd lot. Beautiful. Oh, nice. Texting me, they're already done. I'm not, though. You could be, I'm not. I'm eyeing a couple winners right now. I think the Dow's going to go red right now. It's going to come up right here and it's going to boom right down and go test the bottom of that thing again. Then I'm going to go long UVXY. I'm waiting. Because that's what you do. Wait patiently. All of a sudden, boom. Interesting. I'll take this one. Low risk. He's sitting there underneath, but I'll take a 85 to 90 to 95 run on you guys into 13 bucks. JNUG 17. Five minute. No volume, delete. Trick people this morning. Long UV now, 881. Two buys, 1,000 and 1,000. So if it pops up, I'm making beautiful on the first 1,000. It goes down, I buy one more time, 5.5, and I get out even. Dow's went from 5 to 2. Now it's at 1. At 85, I'm adding another 1,000. FSSR, right here. FS, Fifth Street floating rate. This thing. $100 shares. Here goes Mosi. It's going to go up right now. Because they're right above 58 and they ain't letting it go down. Too much. I missed it. I wanted that one right so bad at $13.95. Damn. Chipper Hines. Chipper risk 2, upside 6. It ain't that much upside. I think you can get to 7 if you want to play shipper. Get to 7, 8, 9. Look, this is the guy from last night. Are we holding Mosi? What's your cost? How many shares you have, Royce? See? That's what I said last night in Mojo U, right, guys? That the guy would do that? Remember I said that? Remember? Remember? How many shares do you have? What's your cost? Remember I said he'd do that? Last night I told you that, right? How many shares you got, Royce? What's your cost? He owns it at 160. Went down 2 cents. He owns 2,000 at 155. Oh, good for you. I thought you owned it at 160. And it went down 3 cents and you got nervous and you asked me if I'm still in it or we're holding. That's what guys do. Mara's got a message. Hold on. But we're not in NXTD, Mara. NXTD is a $1.50 stock. Mosi's going lower. See the 192? Now it's 88. Sell it all, dudes. Get the hell out. It's your last chance. Yo, Mara, we're not in NXTD. Here's the pincher at 56. Told you. Right here. See him? Pinch 56. See him? Did you see pinch to 56? See him? Penny pincher. They're doing their thing. USLV long into 50. Could make a nice move. Downside risk is very, very minimum on. This is the one we traded here at in the pre-market right here with a sequence to 50. That's an add at 45. INAP V-band break above $4, confirming on the daily chart, correct? Hold on. 56,000, 976,000, correct. This is a nice one as well. There's very little downside risk because the low's right here. The stock could easily go into the 20s, which is this one, INAP, right here above 4. So you want to do a 2 buy. One here entry, one higher, lower. You can go at the low and then bump back out of it even. You can't lose on that one. All right, the Dow's up 9 and 10 and my UVs hold exactly the same on the entry position. That's real nice. Holding beautifully firm, and the Dow went from 1 to 10. Now we head back to 1, goes to 85, then it heads to 90, we go right to 9. So easy. I call that like the hopper. From Pro Trader Hopper, this is the hopper play. All you got to do is just sit and wait, and you'll get paid. I call it the hopper. There he is. It's the hopper. Very easy. Demos got locked out. We unlock demos. Demos unlocked. Rock and roll, boys and girls. 5-cent spread with 12,000. 411 on BIOC. Red bar. This one. Paragon. Let's look at the Dow's up 16. Made its jump. Not doing anything with UV right now. Just hold your original entry position. Dow jumped, held the same like a rock. And Twitter, something's going on with Twitter. It may get bought out. So guys that play options, I'd play like a month option. If this thing gets bought out at $25 price tag, you just made $6. Because that's what it'll do. It'll open up, boom, purchased. Boom. Who bought them? What? Donald Trump bought Twitter? What? Really? Yo, Donald Trump's buying Twitter, guys. Yeah. He's the main dude. He loves it. He can afford it. He's gonna buy Twitter. And his son's gonna run it. The D-boy. Yeah, here's a present for you. Get some Twitter. We own it now. Yep. Little gold and blue. Because Melania likes the blue. So he's like, all right, I'll buy it. Because it goes good with the gold. Like, I like the blue. I like the little bird. He's like, let me tweet again. Let me contact my lawyer. Okay, we'll offer him $25 a share. Okay. Yeah. Because he knows he's doing the rest of his communications with the guys all over the world on Twitter. He don't got to call them on the phone. He's going to have a private direct message right to their tweets. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Ah, yeah. Dude, everything's stalled. My Annie's moving? No. FSFR is moving a little bit on me. Nice. Annie halted. This was my swing pick, Sphere 3D. Did you know that? Joker Jeff. A couple of weeks ago, that was my swing pick. ANY. on 622, 623, right here at 13 cents, Holmes. Look. Right here. Risk 3 cents, reward 10. Dude, reward 1,000. There it is. Here's the actual pick right here. There's the research. I did it right here on 6/16 of 2017. I sent my baseline out right here. There's your risk down here, the baseline. Risk 3, reward 3 to 1, traded 1 million. Consolidation of the cells right in here. Beautiful increased earnings estimates on the Ken Slim. Stock was a rocket ship right from my swing trade newsletter. Pfft, kidding me? Of course. Of course. Any other ones you want to see? I could show you a lot of other good ones. Thanks, Gerardo. I appreciate that, buddy. All right, here it goes. 47. I'm added. I trade live, folks. You see, if I wasn't trading, how would I know USLV was at here? Because of my position already in it. And then I knew to add. Because I have 3 other stocks with UVXY 100 shares. That's it. Because I'm trading with my boys. Dow's up 20, UV's at 74. I only have 100 shares. But right here, I'm going to take 1,900 in 3 buys. Watch this clip. See the green bar? This is what I teach you in MOJO U. Wait, wait, now. Do you see? This one right here, I'm going to nail the crap out of it. And then watch it go higher. Because that's what I teach all my students. Exactly that move. Didn't I do that exactly just now, folks? Did I wait the first bar, and did I wait the second bar, and did I wait and do it exactly like I told you? If you didn't, you would have bought way earlier. But I know what it's going to do. So beautiful in this stock FSSR right now. I'm scared to add, though. I'm scared to add. But I will. But I will. Because that's I'm following my game plan. I'm buying it all the way up to $9. By the time it gets to 9, I'll have like 3,000 shares. And I'll own it like where it is now. By the time it gets there. On that stock. FSSR. Timestamp 9:51. You can see the first timestamp on it back here. At 9:40. 11 minutes ago. At 8, oh, by the way, that was my entry position here, 8:51. Absolutely. So I like that one. NTNX is headed through 22 for whoever wants to Heinz that sucker. NTNX through 2. USLV is beautiful. We have that one up there. I'm going to add on the watch list right now for the guys that are watching on the watch the stock we just did for the FSSR. And I am the only room that trades live. Better freaking believe it. Do your due diligence, folks. Do your due diligence. I'm adding UV right now, 500 more. I'm going to 1,500, got 1,000. Adding right now. Thank you. Look at the 1 minute, we got the green. I'm expecting the green 1 minute, double 2 right here, to turn into the 5 green. That's my anticipation. Mostly auto closing right now on people that got skunked. See it? auto close bar. Nice, right? Nice to be on the right side of freaking things. Played that yesterday. No, I don't want to take the auto closes. Not on this one. Pass. Adding more, another 500 UV. Demo 29, closing your position of MOSI. Demo 18, NTNX. You own it at 90, closing your position of NTNX. USLV, good. You own 2,000 at 1045. It's going to 50. CTIC, demo 18, 500 at 380, ain't doing nothing for you. You own it at 380, closing your position, move on. If the stock doesn't move in 5 minutes, sell it. I ain't babysitting. But action, boys. Moving and shaking. Shaking and moving. Shooking and shaking. Come on, rip the 70. There's a signal at 69. Like it, like it, like it. Yo, guys, I have a webinar Sunday. You guys should come check that out. Just go to my website. I'm here right now, mojodaytrading.com, and click register. It's Sunday evening. Everyone could come. If you've never been to my webinar before, it's awesome. I guarantee you'll be empowered with a lot of great knowledge on how to win in the stock market at a high accuracy rate. Be the shark. Swim with the mojo at the webinar. Just click right here, register for the webinar, and I'll see you. It's like an hour. We'll spend an hour together, and I'll hook you up, show you how we do it at the webinar. Click, register, get taken to my webinar registration page. Let me know a little bit about you. Have you traded before? Never. Less than a year or more than a year? Have you have a broker, yes or no? And the money required to day trade. If you have no money, I had to exit someone from the webinar and tell them to go to the casino because they said I have $50. Can I make money? The platform fee's $150. Go play roulette or some poker if you got. Don't bother me at the webinar. Got more than $2,000? Less than 5? More than less than 25? More than 5? You got some potential. More than 25, you're a day trader. Let's do it. I'll show you how it rock and rolls. And you sign up right there. Something's blinking on my screen. I'll give this a second. It's blinking. All right, I gotta go. I gotta go. It was you. Killed me. Down 16, we're heading back though. We were up 25. I love it. I got filled on the bid. Filled on the bid. That's called a rebate. I got filled on the rebate. They paid me for that because I added liquidity. I added my money, my capital into the stock. So I got cost me $3 for 1,000 shares, but they paid me back $1 in a rebate just now. Nice. Real nice. MDXG making a move through 50 right here. I like this stock. Execute a mini Heinz trade play. Very carefully. 100 shares every 5 cents. If it goes down, you only have 100 shares. You don't lose. USLV's taking time, man. You know why it's not going up, guys? USLV, you know what? Yeah. That's why, Hopper. I got too much of it at 48. I'm gonna sell it and it'll go up for all of you. I will sacrifice a profit for my entire room. Yeah, I will it'll go up right now because I'm gonna sell it. They see how many shares. They're not letting it go nowhere. They will not pay me. I've already made too much profit in my account. I told you that last night. All right, watch it go now. Watch. Right in my face. I'll let it go right in my face. But I'm in UV, so I'll make it up in that. Because they have to pay me in UV. The market's up 17, and when it drops to 10 and goes 987 and goes red for the first time in like 17 months, or Trump announces Twitter's buyout, that'll cause the market to drop. But until then, got no problem. FSSR, finally. They're going to go 68 bid and take out the 70 now. Can you believe? I'm like, I have, you know when you're so high up on the mountain, you have like on Mount Everest, when you lose pressure in your head? I have that right now a little bit. I'm losing a little pressure right now in my brain on that. I like, dude, the jump is so high, I might break my legs on the way down. I'm scared to jump off that thing. It's so damn. You're welcome. You're very welcome. You're very welcome. You all owe me golf balls. I would like Titleist. Go to golfballs.com. I don't do this often and sacrifice profits for the whole room. But it pays me back on the golf course. So if you go here and you get these Titleist Pro V1Xs, see them on golfballs.com, and you personalize the product and you can put in your message like USLV, thanks Pro Trader Mike. Pro Trader Mike, greatest trader. I got all these dozens of, and when I play golf, you bring the inspiration to me as I play. And I've got those, that's my gift from you. If you'd like to pay me. That's what I accept. I don't accept money. Golf. Hook me up with some Titleist Pro V1s and write MOJO on there. Like this. MOJO. See? Pick the thing. Like that. See? Love that. Look at that. Moj. My MOJO balls. It only can do 3 letters. Or you can do like this, PTM. Pro Trader Mike. That would be cool. $52 a dozen, boys. I hit some expensive golf balls. Worth it, because I made you money. Welcome. Welcome. Yep, that's how it works. Sacrificials. Dow's up 8. I'm all in on UV. I'm going to make a lot of money on this trade. So should you. All in. UVXY, baby pop. Pay attention, Mr. Darcy. Hey, Darcy, you got to change your avatar, killer. Okay? Can't have that if you're going to be in the room for me a long time. Can't be looking at you and the missus. You got to be like Mark, Sonny, with the clipper. Or like Suds. What do you want? I'll give you a great avatar. I can give you a good one. You let me know. Superhero? I got that for you. You want to be Superman? You want to be hook you up. How about get him, Pete. Get him, Pete. Like that avatar. Very nice. What's up? Love it, man. Bob, I'm getting you set up now, Bob. I got a second with the UV to take a minute. Bob, I'm getting you set up on the demo. Not be missing nothing with the UV. I'm in. Eye on that sucker. Up 5. Here we go. What's my target? End of the day, homie, brother. $9.75. 1 point from here. Here we go, red. Dow Tracker Technology. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, Dow Tracker. Oh, I can't stand it. Oh, Dow Tracker. Oh. E-mini futures. Kick it into high gear. Add at 0-0. I have people playing the E-mini futures here, guys. Gonna make $10,000 on this trade. They've been waiting. Like me. 10 grand on this trade, homies. 10 grand. Here it comes. You better believe it. Dow's gonna go down 30. Be red down 30. That'll make $10,000. Dow goes down 50, 60. It's 20 grand. Dow goes down 100 from here. That's $50,000 win. These guys will stack up. Big, big win. Big, big win. All you got is 5 points of downside, 100 points of upside. 100 points of upside. Got 100 points up, 10 on the down. Getting positioned. Rock and roll, boys. Rock and roll. 20 years, bro. Do it for 20 years. Here we go. 875. Rip that shit. Come on now. Son, don't even play around with me, son. Don't even play around, son. I'm going to clip your ass. I'll call my guy right now, and he'll move that thing to 77 on you. This one I'll move in my favor. USLV, I let it go up because of the market makers. This one, I'll move up myself. Send a text. I'll move the market. Watch. Watch this. Yeah, you watching Twitter? Nice. What's Twitter doing? Twitter's at 1947. Who cares about Twitter? Watch what happens to UVXY. I just sent, look at this. Buy 100,000 shares right now. Add 77, 78, and 79, 100,000 each. That's my boy. Look. That's a text message. Buy now 100,000 shares. Add 77, 78, 79, 100,000 each. Are you going to post on Twitter? What am I posting on Twitter, Joker Jeff? What are you talking about? Who's kicking these people from the room? Why? Why are you kicking everybody from the room, Gerardo? Free pass day. Yeah, leave them alone. Who cares? Just let them sit there. Who cares? It's only a free pass day till the show, and then it's over with. Just let them sit there. No problem. But thank you for trying to contact them. Appreciate it. Message yet. He usually answers me right back. I'm waiting for the okay. Power going to this thing. At 163 though. Can't get no volume into the stock. You want me to send it higher? I don't even have a lot of shares and they're not even moving up. They have a conspiracy against me today. If I sell it, it'll go right up. Watch. But they have, it's a conspiracy. It's a conspiracy against me. Watch. For all of you, please, watch. Fucking incredible. They'll spit right in my face again. EIGR, $9. It was like that other one yesterday with the when it was 52,000 shares and it went to 93 and we really couldn't play it because of the volume. Same exact thing as the one yesterday. What was that, EKSO? What was that one yesterday for 52,000? Remember that one? We couldn't trade it and it went up the same way in the 420 range and something like that. Remember? IGR really went as low float on these kind of stocks. That's why they go up so much, and you can't buy because if you buy, they'll snag you. They'll snag you. Holding ground, holding ground. No buy. How incredible is AAOI? That's my Ken Slim. I picked it at $56 a share. Got this stock in the fund. Right there. 56. Want to see my research and my original stock that went out to everybody on that? AAOI, my original pick. Right there. At $53.32. I knew exactly what the earnings were going to be. On 3/3 of 2017, I picked it at $53 right here. No one in their right mind in the world would do that. I did. And now it's at 80. Because it's a Ken Slim stock pick. Does everyone understand the power of this system that I have? Look, Trader Suds, how many shares you got of UV, dude? It went down 3 cents. Look, you see? He did it. Trader Suds, how many shares you got? What's your cost? That's twice today. Twice. What's your cost? $72. What's it at? 67. See, guys, I told you, right? Last night in MOJO U, I told you, right? Huh? Trader Suds did it. Amazing, isn't it? Amazing. It's so amazing how human behavior is, and it's so predictable. Second one today, I know. It's amazing, isn't it? Amazing. Hey, Suds, go to the bathroom right now and go get a drink of water and come back. And you'll be quietly surprised, okay? Go ahead. I'll watch your position for you. Go ahead. Come back. Watch where it is when you come back. Amazing at Heinz to $80. It really is. Amazing. I'm going to go do a walk away for 5 minutes. My walkaways are awesome. Because when I come back, the Dow's going to be red. And my guy's going to execute his orders price as I told him. That would be beautiful. Pro Trader Mike signing off, everybody. Thank you for watching the MOJO Day Trade Show. Enjoy your weekend. Go to my webinar. Go to the MOJO website. Become a millionaire trader in MOJO University. Do it all. Here's MOJO U.